Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Melyani Priska Basanunggu. My official number A1M2-19094. I am from Group Clause. Today I will explain about what difference between clause, phrase, and sentences. In English, is something called a phrase, a clause, and a sentences. The three of them are not the same because they have their respective function. Phrase is a group of words, and clause is a clause in a larger sentences, and sentences is a group of words consisting of a subject and predicate. And phrase. Phrase or phrases are a group of words to do not consist of a subject and a verb. Phrases can be in the form of noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, and prepositional phrase. They have group of words, no subject and or verb, no a complete idea, and usually consists of article, preposition, and noun. Phrases have a noun, adjective, verb, adverb, and prepositional phrase. For example, noun phrase is amazing dancer, the best idea, and abstract painting. For example, verb phrase is swimming, have been gone, will take the control. And for example, adjective phrase is a dark room, a sweet apple. Example of adverb phrase is really slowly. And prepositional phrase is in the noon at room with my mother. And now clause. Clause is a group of words consisting of a subject and a verb. Clause is divided into two forms, namely independent clause and dependent clause. They have group of words with a subject and a verb. Their type of clause is independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause is a clause that can stand alone and is considered a whole sentences, whereas dependent clause requires another clause to form a complete sentences. They have with subject and verb, has a complete thought. Independent clause makes a sentence of its own as a sentences. For example, I went to campus. Dependent clause have to with a subject and a verb, no complete idea, and needs independent clause. Needs supporting conjunction such as before, if, when, after, so, therefore, also, since, because, so that, and other. Dependent clause doesn't make a sense on its own as a sentences. For example, a talk. I wasn't feeling well. I went to campus. And last, sentences. Sentences or sentence is a whole main unit or a group of words that have a subject and predicate. They have with subject and predicate. Subject is the topic of sentences and predicate is the said about the subject. They have expresses complete thought, begins with a capital letter, ends with a period, question mark, or exclamation point. For example, number 1, Sinta took the papers from the shelf. Number 2 is she got hurt when her uncle says something hurts to her. And number 3 is I can't go to vacation this time. Maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.